I have created this simple line journal inside Bookboard in under 60 minutes. I have created the cover and I have created the interior, and then I published on Amazon KDP, and it took me less than 60 minutes. So in this video, I am going to show you how you can create the same line journal and publish it on Amazon KDP within an hour. So let me show you. This is the cover of the journal. This is my Quran study journal. I did a little research inside the Bookboard keyword finder tool and find this keyword. Then I created the interior inside Bookboard. This is very simple line journal, and I've done this whole thing in under 60 minutes. In a few moments, I am going to show you the exact process, how you can do the same. You can see here, I have a folder here where it has a paperback cover and paperback interior. So these files are created inside Bookboard. So let me show you how you can do the same. So once you are logged into Bookboard, you can click on create, and it will take you to this page. Here you can create new project or view your own previous projects. So to do that, you can go to project here. These are my projects. So let me show you. This was the blank line journal that I am referring to. So as you can see here, this is the cover here. You don't need to measure the cover dimensions. Bookboard does everything for you. Cover dimensions are automatically calculated, and these are interior pages. This journal belongs to page, and there are 119 or 120 line journal pages. Let me show you how you can do the same in a few minutes. First of all, you need to go here and create a new project. Here you can select the paperback, cover and interior types. So I want to create the both. Here you can enter the project name, KDP lined journal. Here you can set the dimensions for your journal. I am going with 6 into 9 inches. And here you can select the interior and paper type. I am going with black and white with white paper. You can also select the cream paper as well. And here's the bleed setting. I am going with the bleed option, and here I am going to set the number of pages to 120 and then create project. It will take some time to create a new project. Here we go. We have a cover template here, and we have blank pages here. These are the interior pages. First of all, you need to create the cover here. To create the cover here, you can go here on the image library. Here you can go to Pixabay directly. You can upload your own images. You can go to Pixabay and Unsplash. Under Unsplash, I searched for Islamic, as I wanted to create an Islamic or Quran study journal. Then I scrolled down and clicked on this image, and then just I increased its size so that it fits on the canvas here like this. Then I placed it here. Now we have our background ready. All we can do is add little bit text here. Go to the text tool here and add a heading and start writing. Okay. Now we can go to the align tool here and center align this. Now we can reduce the size and place it like this, and then change the color here to something like this. Okay, now we have our title here. Next, I want to add another image here. To do that, I can go to file library again and search for Islamic again, and then just click on this image. I can crop it like crop here, just reduce its size so that perfectly fits here. Now I can go click again on the cropped image and increase its size like this. Now I can again go here and change the font color. If I want to, go with white one. Then you can go to the elements here and add an element on the back cover if you want to. I have added this one on the back cover and change its color to like this. Now we have done our paperback cover here inside Bookboard. To create interior pages, you need to click here on the interior pages, and then you can go to here page templates, and then you can go to search bar and write journal, and this will show you different versions of journal. We want to create simple line journal, so we will click on the journal page, and here we have college ruled, narrow ruled and wide ruled. I had selected wide rule, so I am going to select this again. Now you need to click on the pages you want to add this templates on. I would like to select all. Now while holding control, I will deselect these two pages, and then I will click on next. Here I can adjust the margins if I want to, but you can leave this as is and click on the submit button, and it will start creating the interior pages for you. So you can see we have done this in under 10 minutes. Now we have our interior pages ready. You can see here, these are the interior pages. The first page is blank. This is for creating the title page, or this journal belongs to page. You can simply go to here on the text tool here, add a heading, reduce the size and write this journal belongs to, place it here, reduce the size again, place it here. Go to here on element tab and click on line. It will add a line here, select it here from the layer panel and move it here. You can also change the thickness of the line if you want to. Just click on this one and change the color if you want. If you want to, you can add a box as well around these elements. Add a black box. Now change the fill color to no fill and change the border stroke here and add the stroke color. Change the size to something 12 and click OK. Now we have our cover ready now and our interior ready, and now we are ready to download our cover and interior. To do that, you can click on download current project CMYK. It will start downloading in a few moments. Once the processing is done, you can click on the download here and it will save onto your hard drive. You can click on save, click on the folder, right click on the folder, extract to the folder here, view large icons, and here you can see this is the folder here, and this is our paperback lined interior. This is our cover. So let me show you in Chrome here. Again we can and select our interior pages. We have our interior here. These are the lined pages. This is the white ruled. And this is our paperback cover, our journal cover. Next we will do a bit of research and upload this onto Amazon KDP. To do a research, you can go to Bookboard here again, and under the keyword section here, once you click on keywords here, it will show you two options, favorites and search. You can click on the search here and it will take you to the keyword finder tool here. Here you can type your keyword, like I have typed Quran study like this, and click on search and it will show you keywords and other relevant data here. You can see keyword phrase, Amazon search volume, Google search volume, CPC. This is Google CPC and this is competition in Google. You can sort this by competition. These keywords have no data in terms of competition in Google search volume. You can scroll down, you can note down these keywords. I have added this one as well. These appears to have very low competition, very new keywords. You can see I have selected this one, my Quran study journal, because this main keyword, my Quran study, has very low competition and it has very good volume in Amazon and also in Google. So in this way you can do a quick research and find keywords that you can include into title and subtitle and the backend keywords. I am here in the KDP dashboard. To upload a journal on Amazon KDP, you can click on the create button here and then you can click on the create paperback and it will take you to this details page here. I have already filled out this for my own journal, so I will quickly show you how you can do the same. You can see here, this is my journal here. This is the very first page. Paperback details here. I have entered my book title, my Quran study journal. I have entered subtitle, a blank line notebook for Muslims for Quran reflections. You can add your own title. Here on the author page, you can enter your first name and last name. I have entered mine. Then leave the contributors blank. Then you can create a very short description like this one. A blank line journal for reflections. Use this simple line, my Quran study journal, to write down Quran verses, translations, tafsir, notes and duas. And you can write a very short description about the journal like layout, size, page count, cover, finish. And then you can finally add a call to action, that is click the buy now button on this page and get yourself a copy of this beautiful Quran study journal today. So this is the KDP description. Then you can click on the I own the copyright and I hold necessary publishing rights. Then go here and primary ideas, select this button as no, as we don't have anything like this. Leave this blank. Then primary marketplace is Amazon.com. When it comes to categories, I have selected two categories. This is books, religion, spirituality, Islam and Quran. Let me show you how you can edit the categories. Click on edit and here you can click on add another category and here you can select one, like you can select business and money, but I had selected this one, that was religion and spirituality. Then you can select a subcategory, like I had selected Islam, and here you can select the placement, like I can also click on general to add this to another category as well. So in this way you can select KDP categories. I am just going to save these categories. Now we can add 3 categories as per new changes made by Amazon KDP. When it comes to classification, you can check this mark because this journal is a low content book. When it comes to 7 backend keywords, you can add keywords from the bookboard research tool. I have quickly added these keywords like Quran reflection journal, a year of reflection journal, study Quran journal for men, women, journal daily reflection before bed, Quran study notebook, Quran journal for women, my Quran journal. Then you click on this save and continue, and it will take you to the next page, that is the paperback content page. I can go without saving or save and continue, and it will take me to the next page, that is to upload our cover and interior. When it comes to low content books, as we have clicked the low content option on the previous page, it will not show you an ISBN. It will only show this option, publish without an ISBN or use your own. I don't have my ISBN, so I can go with this option. Leave this blank, or you can click here and select any date when this is going to live. Then go to print option, select this one, as we have selected the interior type black and white interior with white paper. Scroll down. When it comes to trim sizes, select this one, 6:9. Then as we selected with bleed, click this one. And cover finish, you can select matte or glossy, and here you can upload your interior, and here you can upload your cover. Like you can go here and click here and go to the folder where you have saved your interior and upload this your interior page. Here you can upload your cover, and it will process these files. It can take up to 15 minutes or even longer. In my case, it only took 2 to 3 minutes only. Once this processing is done, you can click on the launch previewer, and you can finally check your journal for errors. You can see here no errors are found by KDP here. It is loading and showing me how my journal looks like. I can select and review my pages and cover. Once I am satisfied, I can click on the approve button here, and it will take me back to the paperback content page where I can scroll down and click on save and continue. I can quickly review the summary of my KDP journal here, like ink and paper type, bleed settings, paperback cover finish, trim size, paper count. And here is the printing cost, $2.44 per book on Amazon.com. And these are the printing costs on the other marketplaces. Click on save and continue, and it will take you to the next page, that is the paperback pricing page. This is paperback rights and pricing. You can click on all territories, or you can go click here and select any individual territories where you want to sell your journal. I am going with the all territories here. Here you can enter the pricing. I had entered 4.99. You can also go with 5.99 or 6.99, and it will also show you the printing cost and royalty earned per sale. Like printing cost is $2.44, weight is 60%, and royalty is $1.15 in the .com marketplace. You can change on different marketplaces if you want to. I can select this to 4.99 in the UK marketplace, and also I can go here and round them off to 5.99, but for now I am leaving them as is. You can quickly review and raise the price where you can feel like the royalties are very low. So in the Australian marketplace it was showing very low royalty, so I changed it to 9.99. Once we are done with this, you can click on the publish your paperback book, and it should be live within 72 hours. It says it can take up to 72 hours for the book to be available for purchase on Amazon. By clicking publish, I confirm that I agree to and am in compliance with the KDP terms and conditions. You need to read this before uploading your book. You can also request a PDF proof if you want to. Once you are satisfied all these settings, you can click on the publish your paperback book, and it will be live and up for sales on Amazon within 24 hours, and sometimes it can take up to 3 days or even 7 days. So this is the start to finish process of creating and selling a journal on Amazon KDP using book boards. You can see how quickly we have created these interior and cover pages inside a single platform. We also did a keyword research. If you are interested in buying book boards, you can check out the link in the description below, where you can also find a 20% off coupon that is specially for you people. That is all from me today. If you have found this video useful, then do click the thumbs up button below and also subscribe to my channel. That is all from me today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.